Why Synctuition is most likely the best meditation program in the world? Well, here are some amazing facts. It took over 10 long years to develop. It had over 1,500 talented people involved in the project, including 150 of the world's leading musicians. Sound engineers traveled to over 2,000 exotic locations all over the world and completed over 420,000 minutes of field recordings for creating 80 unbelievable sound journeys, unlike anything ever heard before. A meditation program built on a new breakthrough sound technology that includes binaural beats, gamma wave sound frequencies, guided meditation, tracks adapted to your personal voice frequency, unbelievable 3D sound. These 3D sounds can be listened with regular headphones. All this resulted in the most powerful meditation program in the world. Now you can try this unique meditation program totally for free. The world's first meditation program in 3D sound.
Welcome to Synctuition.